mono matin. Riwruoge moko ma kedo ne ratiro oganda medo kwedo obila kuom tiyo kod teko mang'eny e keyo jong'anyo mag Azimio ahinya to odiechieng' Sabasaba. Ka otelnegi kod riwruok mar IMLU kod Kenya Human Rights Commission gikwedo kaka obila nyocho riembo moko kuom chopo e stesend obila ma Central ka gidwaro ni owe thuolo joma ne omaki e ng'anyo ma Tich Abich. Jokedogo dwaro ni obila owe rocho ratich jo ng'anyo ka giwacho ni gidwaro neno lokruok kochakore kiny ma ng'anyo bende ntiere.
Whether in the streets, whether in this room, whether in the courtrooms, we are in every space and we intend to be in every space. If it requires that we demonstrate as civil society, we will demonstrate. If it means we picket, we'll picket. If it means, we lay prostrate on the roads, we'll lay prostrate on the roads. We use all legal means to protect our democracy. Tomorrow, we'll be out there doing what we are supposed to do as citizens.
So, any person, whether in government or outside government, has got equal rights to protest, to picket, and to express displeasure at any person. Civil society, when we protect the rights of people who have been violated by the police, it does not mean that we are in opposition. It means that we are protecting the rights of human